A few moments later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We will talk about tech learning and everything digital. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss on our future videos. Today's video is all about multimedia and ICT, two things that are shaping the way we live, study, and communicate every single day. So first up, multimedia. These are basically a mix of text, image, video, sounds, and animation all combined to make content more engaging. Think about YouTube videos, online presentation, or even memes you see online. Those are perfect example of multimedia in action. Next, we have ICT, or Information Communication Technology. This includes all the tools we use to process, share, and store information for computers and smartphones to the internet, like Zoom, Google Classroom, or even TikTok. Without ICT, connecting with others instantly across the globe won't even be possible. Multimedia and ICT are just for fun. They're used in school, for e-learning, in business, for marketing and productivity, in our daily lives for communication basically, that make life faster, easier, and a lot more interactive. And that's wrap up today's video. If you learned something new to multimedia and ICT, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share with your classmates or friends, and subscribe to my channel. For educational content like this, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.